Plantation Shutters Florida 5-star reviews. Your installers did a fabulous job at the Lions residence. Thank you all so much. Plantation Shutters Florida Incorporated. I am so loving with my custom-made plantation shutters. Better made in the USA. D&L Christensen. We just had our entire home done with plantation shutters. Installed by Plantation Shutters of Florida. James Savastano. I was very pleased with their prices and I highly recommend them to everyone. Doreen. Plantation shutters are the best as they makes the room more beautiful and you don't get the problem of incoming light. Sheila. Plantation Shutters of Florida did an amazing job. Thank you Plantation Shutters of Florida. Marie. Plantation Shutters of Florida local business and they truly cares about customers and employees. Jupiteria. The quality of their work was exceptional and completed in a timely manner with regard for safety. Julia Gilels. I would recommend Plantation Shutter Florida to anyone. You won't be disappointed. Celine Lafasia. Plantation Shutters of Florida is the absolute best. Elizabeth Tedisco. After ordering and approving the colors, Donna installed the shutters within 7 days. They look beautiful and the price was very fair compared to their competitors. I highly recommend Donna and Plantation Shutters of Florida. Plantation Shutters of Florida rocks. I never thought I could afford real plantation shutters for a room, much less my entire house. Plantation Shutters of Florida produces a great product faster than any other manufacturer in the Southeast. I highly recommend Plantation Shutters of Florida whether you are a builder, a designer, a distributor, or an end user. Made in America, quality materials, great workmanship, prices and a first-class 5-star on time. Bob Ellenson. I would recommend Plantation Shutters of Florida to everyone, they have the best shutter. Robert Pipsky. When I found Plantation Shutters of Florida, I knew I struck gold. And they ready to install in 9 days. Jessica A. Call us today at 772-872-6805.